Okay, this is a video with the testing instructions. So when you click on the record, I think I already have it open here. You're going to go to Edit, and you're going to be looking for the field for opt-in for sent date, and you're going to delete it, and then you're going to save it. This is all going to be happening automatically when we do this, but this is just how we test it. And then once that's saved, thank you, I'm just recording a video, then you have to go back into Edit, and then you change it to today's date or any other date, and then you hit save again. And then once it's there, within the next few minutes, you'll probably have to check back and refresh a couple times. But eventually you should see a new text message come in with a current date. And at that point, that's when you're going to be copying that link and going through with the rest of the testing to see how everything updates. Let me know if you have any questions.